Mrs. Hensley's friends, it is Thursday today, and so we are going to get ready to do our calendar, but I didn't forget today. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. Mrs. Hensley forgot that yesterday, I think. But anyway, let's get started on our calendar. Okay, we know that the month is September, right? September starts with the letter S. Okay, and we know that today is Thursday. So, what number comes after 16? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16? 17. You're right. 17, and it is red. It matches Mrs. Hensley's shirt today, doesn't it? 17, a 1 and a 7. So we are going to put that right there. And Brian's birthday's right around the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days, Brian. Just 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 more days, Avery. Just 13. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more days until the first day of fall. So summer will be gone and it will be fall. Okay. And Mrs. Hensley will have to change her bird here, won't I? I'll have to change it to fall. So today is September the 17th, 2020. And we need to find out what today is. Who remembers what today is? Oh, I get to stick my tongue out. That naughty TH is naughty, naughty, naughty. Okay, because I'm sticking out my tongue. Thursday is today. So we will put that on today is Thursday. Okay? Tomorrow, what comes after Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Ah! Friday! Friday is tomorrow. Yay! Oh, okay. Don't get too excited, Mrs. Hensley. It's not Friday yet, is it? Oh, my goodness. The cray-cray, the craziness came out of Mrs. Hensley. So tomorrow will be Friday. What comes before Thursday? Because the day that comes before Thursday was yesterday. So here we go. Before Thursday. So watch my fingers. Sunday, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. What starts with a W? Wednesday. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. We are still in the season of summer, and we know that fall comes next, and that will be next week. Okay, let's add a straw to the numbers of days that we have been in school. Let's add it to the ones place because we can't add it to the tens until we get 10. So we have 10 here. We're working on another 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have been in school 15 days. 15. Oh, we need 5. We need one more. What do we do with that 1? We start the tally up at the top of the first one and go to the bottom of the last one. So now we have 5, 10, 15, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which way was the easiest? When we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 15, or 5, 10, 15. That was quickest, wasn't it? That's counting by 5s. Because we have 5 here, and 5 here, and 5 here. So 5, 10, 15. So we've been in school 15 days, and that is a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5. So let's count to 15. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that very good. Let's see. Let's try. Okay, let's try it. You might can zoom in too on your iPad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have been in school 15 days. Okay, let's turn over here and do our date. We might need that for our journal, right? Let's write in pink today. Let's make the girls happy. Okay, September is, let's find out what month it is. Some of you may remember in your head already. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days. 9 months. I'm sorry. 9 dash. Today is the 17th. 17 dash 20. Ooh, Mrs. Hensley wrote that big. Look, it smaller to bigger. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Hensley. Okay, the abbreviation is SEPT period. 2 finger spaces. 17 comma 2020. Or the long September. Two finger spaces, 17 comma 2020. That is our date today. Okay, let's see what we are doing today. Let's see. Today again is Thursday, so we're starting our day with Mrs. Hensley is tired for some reason. We are starting our day with sound skills, focusing on beginning sounds. We're writing the letter M, M uppercase and lowercase. We are doing letter word sound fluency today, so you will be doing our fluency on sounds instead of letter naming. We will write in our journals today, and I'm going to let you do that all by your little lonesome self without any help from adults, without help from Mrs. Hensley, again today because you did such a good job on Tuesday. And then for math, you're going to be finding oops, I'm reading an Apple book. I forgot to tell you that. Then for math, we're finding objects around our house and taking a picture of those objects. We're representing numbers 0 to 5. Okay, and I'll give you directions on how to do that. Okay, then we're going to read our sight word book from yesterday, We Like Apples. And then we're doing a social studies weekly on the American flag. Okay, so we've got a busy day ahead of us, but you guys have been doing great with our busy curriculum. We are full-fledged into our curriculum now. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful, awesome, fantabulous, fantastic, terrific Thursday. And Mrs. Hensley will see you soon. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.